Hello, friends. If you want to create eye-catching product images for yourself or your clients without learning Photoshop or any specific skills, then this video is for you. In this video, you can learn how to design product photos using a free AI tool. Additionally, you can sell this service on platforms like Fiverr or other freelance websites to generate a handsome income. So let's get started. First of all, open your browser and type Clade A, or you can click on the link provided in the description. Click on this link. You will be directed to a website like this. Firstly, we need to register on this website. If you already have an account, you can simply log in. Otherwise, I will register with my email here. This is so easy. Just follow my steps. After login, you'll see a screen like this. You can see that you get 50 free credits, meaning you can generate 50 free images with this account. Click on the Generate Product Image button here on the left. You'll find a variety of pre-made presets that you can use to design products. Now, you can upload the product you want to design. Firstly, it will remove the background of this image. After that, choose a design from the presets given on the left side but you like. There are many options, you can choose any of them. Once you've selected your design, click on the Generates button. After a short processing time, it will generate their images. You can see here that it has generated how many beautiful images. You can download this image by clicking on the download button here. You can select another design and generate it again. So by creating such images, you can offer your services on platforms like Fiverr or any other freelance platform. Here you can see that people are earning through such services. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. See you in my next video.